What we're going to do is put in some extra timbers.
Yeah.
As you can see on this side here, Ben. And what we're going to do that for, Ted, is we've got steel going there.
Yeah.
So obviously if we didn't build up the timbers, obviously you've got all the weight of the roof just sitting on one timber. So we're going to put 4 in there, so that then that takes the weight of the steel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so good. I'll do the first one, and then you can nail in the rest from there. When I'm putting these in, I get a little bit in down the bottom, see like that, just on the edge?
Yeah.
Because if I don't do that, and if I do that, now that's going to make that really hard for you to get in.
I'll do a little bit at a time.
Yeah, so if you get that like that, tap the top in a little bit, like so.
Thank you.
Then tap a bit at the bottom, bit at the top, square it round. Just work your way in. Obviously you want that to be flush with the other ones. It should be anyway because of the OSB. Grab the nail gun. That's it, keep that pressed in there. Bag the top in a little bit. That's it, now come down.
What, straight to the bottom?
Yeah, now put a bit in at the bottom.
And the top again?
That's it. The trick is not to do one too much, because that's what will bounce the other one back out. Oh, he's on the one-hander now.
No, I'm not. Why is that sticking out a bit?
So that's where you're going to get a bow in the timber. So as you're going up, just push that in a little bit.
Okay.
Start down the bottom again there then. That's cool. And what I'm going to do, just to finish that off, just going to fire down from the top. Nails, please. Thank you.
How do you put them in?
So on that, if that's down, just pull that back and it'll click into place.
Ah.
Slide the nails down.
And you push that down.
And then push that in. Lovely. So we're all ready to put that steel in now. If you go around that way, onto those steps, or you go that way.
Well, that's really nice, if I'm being completely honest. Yeah. Where do you need?
Just get under a little bit. That's it.
Yep.
What have you got there? 122. Yeah, so to me, a tiny bit more. Just making sure we've got the same bearing on either end. So you're always looking for a minimum at least of 100 mil. So yeah, we've both got 115 each on either end, which is good.
From where to where?
From here, going back out,
yeah.
Always have 100 mil bearing. Bit out of puff from lifting the steel in now.
Yeah.
And then basically where we put this big beam in to support, we want the centre of the beam, so we'll do that in a set to be the centre of that timber there. So as you can see, it wants to go back that way a little bit in a sec. But we'll just mess around with that, and then that one's in place.